360-degree reality.
Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a holiday room tour. And I'm just going to be showing you guys my room and also a little makeover portion where me and my friend Emma spent a lot of time making over my bedroom. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Today's video is actually super exciting because it is a collab with Moments with Emily. Her videos are amazing. Everything about her videos is just perfect. So I strongly recommend you go check her out. And if you're coming from her channel, please subscribe to my channel right down below because I really appreciate it. So that's pretty much all I have to say on the intro, and let's just hop right in the video. So I am very extra, so I ordered a 6-foot tree. I'm so excited. This is literally just the ornament. There's no tree in here. Hey guys, so today is the day my Christmas tree finally came. The other day I tried to open it. We know I failed. So I have to hurry up and do this really quick because Emma is skirting soon, so. Ew, that was so weird.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
I will see you guys tomorrow after school when I decorate the tree. See you later. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm here. Emma's here again. Hey. We are going to actually decorate my room right now, and I'm supposed to do it right after school, but we went to the diner, so.
Fluff it and make it like.
Yeah, it looks really ratchet, so let's do that.
Oh, I'm in love.
Wait, let's like try to unfluff her.
Don't want a lot for Christmas.
Alright, so I think that my tree is done being decorated, so this is what it looks like. So next we're gonna decorate this whole section. So like I'm not really changing anything on my bed, but just like stuff surrounding it, so let's get it. Ew. So this area is done. This is cute. Where does this go? Yeah, I got it on camera.
ball them for you and you put them up. Wait, do you just want one or both?
That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed because I spent a ton of time decorating my room and I had a few struggles as you guys saw. So thanks for watching and get ready for more holiday videos. I cannot wait for Christmas and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Christmas.